Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that I'm sure a lot of you are interested in, whether or not Smartsheet can replace Excel. I know that Excel is a powerful tool that many people rely on for their work. But in recent years, there has been a lot of buzz about Smartsheet, and I've been hearing from a lot of people who are making the switch from Excel to Smartsheet. So, in this video, I'm going to be exploring the pros and cons of both Smartsheet and Excel, and I'm going to help you decide whether or not Smartsheet is the right tool for you. Before I get into the nitty-gritty, I want to ask you a question. What are your biggest pain points with Excel? Is it that it's difficult to collaborate with other people on spreadsheets? Is it that it's hard to keep track of all of your data? Is it that you're always having to worry about formatting and formulas? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then Smartsheet might be the right tool for you. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a cloud-based collaboration platform that can be used to manage projects, tasks, and workflows. It's a very powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, including project management, task management, workflow management, document management, business process automation. How does Smartsheet compare to Excel? There are a number of ways that Smartsheet compares to Excel. Here are a few of the key differences. Collaboration. Smartsheet is designed for collaboration, while Excel is not. Smartsheet makes it easy for multiple people to work on the same spreadsheet at the same time, and it also provides a number of features that make it easy to track changes and collaborate on documents. Automation. Smartsheet has a number of powerful automation features that can help you save time and improve your productivity. For example, you can use Smartsheet to create automated workflows that will automatically trigger tasks and actions when certain events occur. Scalability. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform, which means that it can be scaled to meet the needs of any size organization. Excel, on the other hand, is a desktop application that can be difficult to scale up as your needs grow. User interface. Smartsheet has a more modern and user-friendly interface than Excel. This makes it easier to learn and use, even if you're not a spreadsheet expert. Pros and cons of Smartsheet. Pros. Collaboration. Smartsheet is designed for collaboration, which makes it easy for multiple people to work on the same spreadsheet at the same time. Automation. Smartsheet has a number of powerful automation features that can help you save time and improve your productivity. Scalability. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform, which means that it can be scaled to meet the needs of any size organization. User interface. Smartsheet has a more modern and user-friendly interface than Excel. Cost. Smartsheet is generally more affordable than Excel, especially for small businesses and teams. Cons. Learning curve. Smartsheet has a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're used to using Excel. Limited functionality. Smartsheet doesn't have all of the same features as Excel, but it does have a wide range of features that can be used for a variety of purposes. Lack of offline support. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform, which means that you need to be connected to the internet in order to use it. Can Smartsheet replace Excel? The answer to this question depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a powerful collaboration and automation tool that is easy to use and affordable, then Smartsheet is a great option. However, if you're already a heavy Excel user and you're not interested in learning a new tool, then Excel may still be the better option for you. In this video, I've explored the pros and cons of both Smartsheet and Excel. I've also helped you decide whether or not Smartsheet is the right tool for you. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.